Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share honest reviews of SaaS tools and lifetime deals that can actually save you time, money, and a few headaches along the way. Today we're checking out Bitform, a lightweight but surprisingly powerful WordPress form builder. Bitform is a drag-and-drop form builder for WordPress that lets you create anything from a basic contact form to complex multi-step payment forms without touching code. And unlike some bloated form plugins, Bitform is tiny. We're talking about 15 kilobytes of assets. That means it loads fast, keeps your site snappy, and won't tank your SEO. Let me walk you through a few of my favorite things about it. 1. 40 plus field types. You've got everything from simple text and email fields to file uploads, signature boxes, ratings, repeaters, and even calculator fields. Perfect if you need more than just a name and email box. 2. Conditional logic. This is where forms get smart. You can show or hide fields, send different confirmation emails, or even redirect users based on what they select. 3. Payment integrations. Want to sell a product, collect a booking deposit, or run event registrations? Bitform connects directly to Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, and Molly. 4. Multi-step forms. Instead of hitting visitors with a long wall of fields, you can split them into steps, making it much less intimidating and way better for conversions. 5. Integrations. Bitform connects with over 290 apps, so you can send leads straight to your CRM, email list, Google Sheets, or automation tools without manual copy-paste. Here's the kicker. Most premium form builders charge monthly or yearly. Gravity Forms, around $59 a year. Typeform, $300 plus a year for their good plan. The AppSumo lifetime deal. You've got two options. Plan 1 is a one-time payment of $79 that covers 5 websites and gives you every feature we've talked about: 40 plus field types, conditional logic, multi-step forms, payment integrations, analytics, the works. If you're running more sites or work with clients, Plan 2 is $158 for unlimited websites, still with lifetime access and all future updates. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, and you've got a full 60-day money-back guarantee so you can try it risk-free. Once you redeem your code, you keep it forever, and you even get all future Plus or agency plan updates. So, if you're tired of overpaying for forms or dealing with bloated plugins, Bitform is 100% worth checking out. I'll drop the AppSumo lifetime deal link in the description. Grab it before the deal's gone. See you in the next one.